Hello everyone! On this video, I'm going to show you my other idea by using the ballroom together with the stand to make a table centerpiece. The tutorial about how to make the stand like this. Click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat on this video. Okay, first of all, let's build this ballroom. I use 5-inch ballroom and I will build it in different size, just a little difference. Okay, I don't want it very large. Small size will be okay. Okay, after we build a lot of ballroom, look, in different size, some larger, some smaller. And after that, take the ballroom holder and hold the ballroom. And take the ballroom stick, cut in different lengths. The small part in different lengths. Look. And then put it on the holder. And then just insert on the phone will be okay. Look. Okay, completed. After we insert a lot of ballroom, look at this. There are a lot of gaps on it. Normally, we will insert some flowers and leaves to fill the gap. But I want to make something different. Let's try with this thread lighting ball. Okay, this is the effect after I put on the thread line and turn it in darker environment. The come out in reality will be much more pretty than what you watch from the screen. Look, let's zoom in for the detail. Look, the thread ball in reality, the light through the thread, very beautiful. Look. And the light, the color in reality will be much more pretty than what you watch from the screen. Okay, let's put on some flower and leaf. About the flower and leaves, first of all, let's make it simple. Just use this tropical leaf. Okay, look, completed. This is the effect after I put on the tropical leaf. And then let's light up the light. In darker environment, the come out will be much more pretty. Okay, then this is the effect after we put on this tropical leaf. I make it look darker so that we can check the effect. If we put it in much more darker environment, the come out will be much more pretty than what you watch from the screen. Okay, following, I will put on the flower and leaf. A lot of type of leaf. Very simple, just insert on the phone will be okay. Let's check the effect. Do you like this idea? Listen in for the detail. Look, I put a lot of different flowers and leaves. Compare with the tropical leaf. Which one you like? Okay, let's light up the thread light. Okay, this is the effect after I light up the thread light. Look. Do you like this one? Okay, this is today's tutorial. If you like this idea, please buy me a cent as supporting. I will use this money to buy more material and take more video. Thank you for your watching. Bye.